kule group C draw le angiboni ucoach Rulani ashaya ucoach Kadoso. Sorry bafethu to say this, abamthanda kuRulani ne, angiboni mina ku Champions League ucoach Rulani ashaya uKadoso ni Sundowns. Angiboni bafethu. Yes, yena ucoach Rulani vele uyingozi ngoba vele ucoach Rulani oke wacoach Sundowns ebholeliki. But uChampions League ngeke amshaya bafethu Kadoso, singabheja lokho. Ngiyazwa niyakhuluma nithi iMC Aja izozenzela ngeMamelodi Sundowns. But angiboni bafethu i-first round ye preliminary edlala ucoach Rulani wadlala i-draw away from home nale team le. I-team le nje yayibhayizela. Nge-second leg washa 3-0 home Algeria. Ku-second